It began as a stolen car report, but within minutes, deputies found themselves in the middle of a violent drive-by shooting, a high-speed chase, and a desperate escape that ended in tragedy. On June 24, 2024, deputies in Escambia County, Florida, were searching for a stolen white Hyundai Elantra. The vehicle had already been flagged, and officers were actively looking for it when everything changed. Just
Friday, our policeman living in the car of channel 33. Going out to 73.
I'm gonna go to the internet. Yeah, it's both. It's on there though. I hit this right here. It's that first one right there.
Get take care of it. All right, don't. I know it's all right. Just don't ride around.
No,
Yes, this is my uncle's house. He just passed away. You came over.
Why you say Willie AJ? Everybody know. I've been around 17 years. Everybody know Willie.
Okay.
All right.
Here.
All right, you good. Make sure you get that. At least print it out. Okay. All right.
moments later, another call came in. A woman had been shot on Aries Boulevard. Deputies rushed to the scene and found 70-year-old Myra Hayes lying in her front yard, suffering from a gunshot wound to the neck. Family members surrounded her in panic as first responders fought to keep her alive. Witnesses had very little information. The only thing anyone could provide was a chilling detail.
Car 37. Car 37. Car 37. Car 371. I'm 97 on a 32 victim. Keep it 10-8. We need to EMS en route. Bleeding to the neck. Alright, I need somebody to scoot over for me. Scoot over this way.
Got it, man, I got it.
Come on, let me take over, baby. Let me take over. Let me take over.
Get him in the room, breathe. Get up. There you go. Talk to me, ma'am. What happened? What happened?
I'm right here.
Hey, just no pressure.
Don't move, we had that dog. I didn't even know what it was.
Hey, honey, who shot you? 97, elderly female. Where's she shot at?
Shot in the neck.
Shot in the neck. Have EMS come in. Security's gonna get.
Get up. Get him in the room, let her breathe. Get up.
You all right? You good?
Get up.
You know what happened? Anybody know what happened? Hey, just hold pressure on the. Hey, honey, who shot you?
We don't know.
Baby, you didn't see nothing? No car, no nothing?
It was just a white car.
White car?
All right, suspect description, unknown shooter, white car, last seen westbound Eric Boulevard.
They started over there.
Stay lean this way.
It's all right, Mama. I'm here with you, okay?
Let him work, okay?
Give me some more. Give me some more. Can I see your shoes?
You know they're coming. All right.
Come on, man.
See anything?
All I know is moving shoot behind me, man.
Were they jets or what?
I don't know what it was. It was a white car.
All right.
She been shot anywhere else?
Ain't no get myself in no trouble.
Jared, I need you to hold her head while I get this together. There we go. She been shot anywhere
Y'all need to get it right now. I don't want to get anybody see the white.
You got that, Simon?
I got her head.
That's a white small car, man.
Hey, get people back, please. Y'all start getting people back, please.
You got more?
Yeah, I got one.
Cut me more.
Here.
I got plenty, whatever you guys need. I got square bandages too. If you need those.
Just take it off.
Just cut it.
Just do it all. Yep. Just do it all. Unwrap it. There you go.
Put that in there.
All right. Here's some more.
Where is that?
Put that on top. Ready?
Hang on. I'm trying to
I got you.
put pressure.
Got you.
All right.
Ready?
All he knows is a small white car.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Anything fucking white. You better stop it. I'm smoking God.
Car 7.
That's all he knows.
What kind of car we
Yeah, she's spitting up. Okay, good.
That's someone here for that.
Nobody.
Yep, you're doing good. Yes, ma'am. It's all right. It's okay.
You're good. Just keep talking to us, all right?
It's okay. It's okay. We're right here.
Hyundai Elantra.
If you need to spit out blood, go ahead and spit it out, okay? Okay.
It's right here.
Hot.
I know you
It's
are.
hot, Mama.
I know you are.
I know it's hot.
Car 81.
What's her name?
At 10100.
What's your name, Mama? Myra. What's your last name, Myra?
Hayes.
Hayes. Myra Hayes. When's your date of birth, Myra?
225.
2/25/54.
Miss Myra, if you need to spit out that blood, go ahead and spit it out for us, okay?
You're right here,
You're
okay?
good.
You're
Don't
okay.
let you choke on it. You're doing good.
No, you know what I'm talking about?
What'd she say? 225 what?
2/25. And I believe 5 was the ending.
It was 54.
54.
There you go. Yes, 54.
Yep. Sir. Yeah. Huh? No, we're trying to keep compress and stuff on her.
Myra Hayes.
Sir.
We're right here with you, Myra, okay? We're right here with
Try not to
you.
move too much, all right, Myra? I know it's hot. Come on.
A small white car had driven by, and someone inside opened fire. That description immediately caught deputies' attention. It matched the stolen Hyundai they had already been tracking. Within minutes, officers spotted the vehicle less than a mile away and attempted a traffic stop. Instead of surrendering, the driver slammed on the gas. What followed was absolute chaos. The stolen Hyundai tore through traffic at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, weaving recklessly across roadways as multiple patrol units joined the pursuit. Then, near the Escambia River Bridge, deputies executed a pit maneuver, bringing the car to a stop. But the suspects weren't done yet. All 3 men jumped out and ran. And then, in one of the dumbest decisions imaginable, they climbed over the bridge railing and leapt into the water below. Police immediately launched a massive search operation. Boats, drones, K-9 units, and ground teams flooded the area, determined to track down the fleeing suspects. It didn't take long for the first arrest.
Stay with it, stay with it. Hit him out. They're good. Please, fucking show me it. Hey, send the dog. Get in with the dog. In the water, in the water. He's in the water! She's getting ready to throw a drone up. This guy, the car's got a good look at him. 252 to 42. We're going to be launching a John boat from the salvage boat ramp to the bridge. Myself and 252. Campbell. Want a life jacket? No. Hey, Lieutenant, we're launching the boat now. You got a hot mic. Just one. We have 150 in the brush. We got one north here in the shoreline. Yeah, hot mic. It's clear. You go to 5. Go ahead. Keep going. There he goes. She's off his jacket. He's on that one tank top in there. Hey, direct us in with this boat, please. How's it?
Yes, sir. We're gonna go that way.
All right, 10-4. He's actually kind of working his way back to the other waterway that's to the east of us. So you guys may want to, you see where we are, you may want to go to the next one.
Go that way. I don't care about wake zone if you can hammer down on it.
Take that first right.
Yeah.
Power for open the north end.
Go to this side. Hey, can you see us in relation to them? You can't see over that grass. All right, just head up right here. Okay, can we go back right where that guy's at?
We'll go between the two pylons.
Yes. Between those two pylons. Come on, Bessie.
We're moving into it now.
You want me to just go into right here? Watch out. Let him get that paddle out.
To go around this pylon and come straight down light. Right here in this tree.
We're working to the pylons. It's just it's real shallow, so we're having a hard time navigating. But hey, Sergeant Mullen, call us. Come out here. Come to us. We got a boat. Get out here.
Now, stand up.
Stand up. We're going to send a dog to you. Get out here.
The canine's going to bite you.
Come on.
Walk out. Walk out now. Hands up. Walk out. Walk out. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Hey, will you bring him?
Yeah,
Bring him. You jumped on the bridge, dummy. Get over here.
You got it?
Yeah, I got you. Get in the boat.
Get on the boat.
Face down. Face down. Face down. Face down. Face down. Face down.
Come on. You got cuffs? Yeah. Do you have any guns with you?
No, sir, I don't have
10-15 with him.
Copy 10-15.
You need to check the area for weapons.
Okay. He's in the brush.
All right, let's go drop him off when we come back.
You want to have one drop him off? The other one going in? Okay. Let's hold him. All right.
Officer, I promise I ain't gonna
I got you.
I promise.
Everybody working this good
You ain't gotta do all that to me.
One outstanding suspect unknown description right now.
Okay.
No, sir.
What's your buddy like to?
I don't know. I don't even know them. I was trying to get a car. I swear to God.
I got you.
The whole time.
Hey, go as far as back with him as possible. I'm trying to push us back. No, you're good. It's really thick there.
So far, we believe there's another one outstanding. We're trying to review video now.
Where'd the other guy go?
Sir?
Where'd the other guy go?
I don't know, officer. I promise. I don't even know them.
We're next to the Oyster Bar Rally. There's going to be somewhere to your northeast in that tall grass.
Got it?
Yeah, it's super muddy, right? Yeah. Can you go forward?
No, he needs to go reverse. Back left. Okay.
Officer, can I sit on my behind, please?
What?
Can I sit on my behind, please?
No, you just stay like this for now. It's a weight management thing.
All right, I'm gonna need a little bit of help getting up. It's super muddy.
You got it?
All right, here, give me a paddle. I'll push off the front.
Okay, grab. Here you go.
Car 42.
You have anything on you?
No, sir, I promise you.
Third and potential suspect.
I promise to God I don't have shit. So exactly how you see me is exactly how I was.
42, nothing what further you need for their suspect. We don't have a confirmed direction of travel. I need at least roughly 3 units at whatever access road. I think it's all Cam that comes over the side of the ascent class and any access road to the west side. He's still got the Got 42.
Go. Freaking walk, dude. Jumped off a bridge for goodness sake. We're good. How's you want in first? You want to leave one first?
No, we're gonna show you.
Yes. Take a left.
I'm gonna try to.
Just gonna back out some. All right. Make sure it's still peeing back there for me. Oh, it is.
So right where that brush is laid down by the dead tree right there, right?
Yeah. To the left. All right, straight ahead.
Straight ahead?
Yeah, straight.
Go straight.
Come out, or we're gonna send the dog.
You see that tree? Your level block is level just behind it. We don't want to fill it or to keep signature, but it's going to be that next set of trees pushing right behind it.
Oh, I think it is there.
One suspect, later identified as Jaquarus Ethridge, was found hiding in the marsh, surrounded by officers and threatened with AK-9 deployment. He surrendered and was taken into custody. But the situation quickly turned darker. A second suspect, Trevian Moughton, suffered fatal injuries after the jump. He later died from the impact. The third suspect, Terrence Gross Jr., vanished into the surrounding waterways. Authorities searched for hours, using every available resource, but Gross was nowhere to be found. Investigators soon learned the horrifying truth. The three suspects had not randomly opened fire. According to Ethridge, they had driven to Aries Boulevard armed and looking for revenge over an earlier dispute. But they missed their intended target. Instead, they struck Myra Hayes, an innocent woman sitting in her own yard. Gross managed to escape Florida, but his freedom was short-lived. Authorities eventually tracked him down in Texas after he appeared at a hospital with injuries sustained during his escape. Investigators learned he had been planning to flee into Mexico. He was arrested, extradited back to Florida, and brought to trial. The evidence was overwhelming. Gross was convicted of first-degree murder, shooting into a dwelling, and fleeing law enforcement. He was sentenced to life in prison without parole, plus an additional 30 years. Ethridge also faces first-degree murder charges and remains awaiting trial. One stolen car, one reckless act of revenge, and one innocent life forever changed. If you enjoy real police bodycam stories and true crime breakdowns, make sure to subscribe. There is always another case just around the corner.